My favorite food trip here at Esitan Recto Basement. My favorite food trip. Let's go. Ano natin, melon, guys. Ito man ang ating order na. Okay na. Let's go. Kapangan na. Kasi food trip na natin. Our favorite. Ang sarap ng sauce, guys. Sarap, guys. Kaya let's go, guys. Ang sarap ng sauce nila. Guys, tapusin muna natin food. Thank you for watching.